Good morning all. Today we will continue with our chapter number 8. Today we are going to solve exercise number 8.4. In the previous class we have solved exercise number 8.3, which is based on addition, and in this exercise we will solve subtraction of money. Okay, we will do the subtraction part. First one is question number 1. Choose the correct option. Okay, so first is rupees 700 minus rupees 291.58. Here rupees and paise. 700, only rupees is given, no paise is given, so we will write like this. Second is 291 and paise is given here 58. So here we have to write 0 zeros. Okay, understood? So when we have to take carry from here 7, because here 0 zeros are here. Here it will become 6, 9, 9, and here when we are taking 1 rupee, rupees, borrowing rupees from paise, it will become 100. Okay, so we will take carry from here now 1, 9, and this will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, here 1 0, 9 minus 1 is 8, 0, 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, so what is our answer? Answer is rupees 408.42, which is given in option number C. So you will tick option number C. Children, when you remember one thing, that when we are carrying from rupees, when we are borrowing from rupee into paise, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Okay, so we will write here 100 and then we will take carry from here. Next one is number 2 is plus and minus both. Rupees 59 plus rupees 605.82 minus 457.32. First we will add. Okay, so 59.00, 605.82. First we will add 2, 8, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1, 6 and 6. What we got? Then we will subtract. 664.82 minus 457.32. 2 minus 2 0, 8 minus 3 is 5, here 5, and 14 minus 7 7, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 4 is 2. So what is our answer? Answer is rupees 207.50, which is given in option number D. Okay, so you will take option number D for question number 2. Number 3 is on subtracting 46.87 from. We have solved the from question. Whenever a question written from, we will write the second one first. Okay, so we will write the second one first. On subtracting rupees 46.87 from rupees 861.37. Okay, so what we will get from, so we will write the first number 861. 861.37 minus 46.87. Okay, so 7 minus 7 is 0, but from 3 we can't subtract 8. So we will take carry from here. So what will this become? 100 plus, this will become 13. Okay, because 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 3 is 3 and 1. 13 minus 8, what we will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5.0. We can't subtract. This will become 5. This will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 4, 1, 8. So what is our answer? Answer is rupees 814.50, which is given in option number A. So you will tick option number A. Number 4th is, this was number 3. What number 4 is? Number 4th is the difference between rupees 500 and 269.92. Okay, same procedure, we have to take carry from rupees into paise. So this will become 4, 9, 9, and this will become 10 and 100. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is our answer? Answer is rupees 230.08, which is given in option number C. Now question number 5. I bought a toy for rupees 174.15 and a copy of rupees 68.85. Okay, I have a note of rupees 500 to the shop. I have a note of rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. The amount of money returned to me was that what? So how we will find? First, what I have bought we will add and then we will subtract with the total amount. Okay, 5 plus 5 0, 9 plus 8 plus 1 is 5 plus 5 10 0, carry 1, 8 9 10 0, carry 1, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 3, carry 1, 7 7 14, 4, carry 1 is 2. So how much total amount? 243. Now subtract from 500. 500 0 0 minus 243 0 0. So in paise column, zeros 4 9 10. 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 4 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees 257, which is given in option number B. So you will tick option number B for this question. Okay. Now next is question number 2. Next is question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract. Okay, you have to subtract. Question number 2. First one is rupees 42.50 from 56. Whenever from is given, you will write the second number first. So we will write here 5600 minus 42.50. This is rupees, this is paise. When we are borrowing from here, this will become 100. Okay, so yeah, 5 ho gaya. This will become 100 paise. Okay, so 0 we need not need to carry. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 4 1. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees 13 and 50 paise. Likewise, number 2. I am not writing the question, I am doing the solution only. Okay. 79.25 from 81.75. From part we will write first 81.75 minus 79.25. Okay. Subtract 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 9 is not possible. 11 minus 9. 2, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees 2.50. Okay, what is number 3? Number 3 is 58.40 from 90.25. Number 3 is 90.25 minus 58.40. Okay. Now subtract this. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. 8, 9, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 31.85. Number 4. Number 4 is 525.65 minus 114.50. 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 1, 4. So what is the answer? Answer is 4 rupees 411.15. So like this children, you will try to solve the rest of the question. Only one thing you remember, whenever from is given, you will write the second number first. Okay. So try to solve the rest of the question. Now next is word problem. Question number 3. Number 3. I had rupees 280. I bought a books for rupees 165.75. How much money was left with me? What was the total amount I had? Money, total money. Total money is equals to rupees 280. Okay. Money spent on books. Money spent on books. How much money spent on books is rupees 165.75. So what you have to find it out? Money left. How we will find? We will just subtract and find. Okay. So 280.00 minus 165.75. We will take carry from here. 7, 9. This will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 6, 1, 1. So how much money he is left with? Rupees 114.25. Now question number 4 is Yogesh earned rupees 3,575. He paid rupees 825 as rent, 1200 for ration and 500 for tuition fee of his son. How much money he is left with him after the expenditure? Okay. So we will write total money Yogesh earned. Total money is equals to rupees 3,575. Okay. So money for rent is equals to rupees 825. Money for ration is equals to rupees 1250.50. Money for tuition fee is equals to rupees 510.75. So what we will do, first we will add these three and then we will subtract with the total amount. Okay. So add this 825.00, 1250.50, 510.75. First we will add this. Okay. 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, carry 1, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 5, carry 1. So what is the total expenditure is 2,586 and total amount is 3,575.00 minus 2,586.25. Okay. 4, 9, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 5, 6 is not possible. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 8 is also not possible. So 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 5 is not possible. 14 minus 5 is 9. So what is, how much money he is left with after the expenditure? Rupees 988.75. Okay. Now next is question number 5. Sheila had a rupees 500 with her. Sheila had rupees 500 with her. She bought fruits for rupees 150, vegetable for rupees 50 and 50 on convenience. How much money was left with her after making the expenditure? Same type question. First we will add the expenditure and then we will subtract with the total amount. Okay. So total money So what is the total money Sheila had? Rupees 500. Okay, number 5. Rupees 500. Money spent for fruits. How much money is spent for fruits? Rupees 150.50. Money spent for vegetables. Rupees 50.75. Money spent on convenience. How much money? Rupees 15. First we will add the expenditure and then we will subtract with the total amount. Okay. 150.50, 50.75 and rupees 15. Okay. Add this 5, 12, 2, carry 1, 6, 5, 5, 10, 11, 1, carry 1, 2. So the total expenditure is rupees 216. Now what is left with? You will subtract from the total amount. Okay. 216.25. Here 5, 4, 9. Here 9, here 9, here 10. 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this much amount total is left. So with this we complete our exercise number 8.4. Thank you. This is all for today. Okay. We will meet in our next class.